Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be showing you how to install an ad blocker on your PC. With all the online ads and pop-ups, it can be pretty annoying to browse the internet these days. So let's get started and make your online experience a little bit smoother. Okay, step 1. Choose your ad blocker. There are several ad blockers available for download, but two of the most popular options are Adblocker Plus or uBlock Origin. Both are available for free, so choose the one you like best. Then, download and install an ad blocker. Once you've chosen your ad blocker, go to their website and download the software. After downloading the software, open the file and run installation process. Follow the instructions and wait for the software to install on your PC. Then, enable the ad blocker. Now that you have the ad blocker installed, it's time to enable it in your browser. Then go to your browser settings, select extensions, find the ad blocker that you just installed and turn it on. Then check your ad blocker. Once you've checked your ad blocker, it's time to see if it's working. Try visiting a website with a lot of ads and see if they're blocked. If they are, then your ad blocker is working correctly. And that's it. You have simply just started installing an ad blocker on your PC. By doing this, you'll be able to browse the internet without any annoying pop-ups or online ads. So go ahead and give it a try. That's all for today, guys. If you like this tutorial, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.